Hey y'all, I just want to give a quick tip on this soup. Idaho loaded potato hearty soup. I always boil my potatoes to add to the soup. And when they're hot, I rinse them underneath cold water and the peeling comes right off, okay? And then I add it to the soup and then I mix it with the packet so it has extra potatoes in it. There's no right or wrong in cooking. You can add stuff to it. Oh, I'm fogging up. Hang on a second. Then I decided to add a little bit more to it. So I added some spinach and just a little bit of onion. Frozen spinach. So now we have Idaho loaded hearty soup with potatoes and some pepper jack cheese. I threw some in there too. See, it gives you the start and then you can always add more to it. I make these videos for any, here I go fogging again. Okay, to help foster kids and other people who are learning how to cook simple recipes. Then you can make it from scratch. Love y'all. Stay warm.